promised you a couple of these problems here today, so we're going to take a look at number 9. This is on the proportion worksheet. We're going to cross multiply. So we need the red loop and we need the green loop. These are a little trickier than the ones above. For red, we do 3 times x. Then you always put the black equal sign between them. Now the reason this is trickier is we're doing 2 times x minus 3. You can write it out like this so that you remember to distribute on the right side. So on the left side of the equal sign we have 3x equals, on the right side you have 2x. Then you have to do 2 times negative 3, which gives you a minus 6. Okay? We're going to take away 2x from both sides. Now you always line up your x terms together and your x terms together. Notice the minus 6 is on its own. Below, we're going to do 3x minus 2x, which is 1x. The 2x's cancel, and you get minus 6. Now, technically, we would divide both sides by 1, which gets x by itself, and we stay with negative 6 as our answer. And that's number 9. I'll also do number 16. Same idea. Red loop, green loop. For the red loop, it's 3 times the quantity n plus 2. On the right side in green, it's 2 times the quantity n plus 8. So in both cases, we need to distribute. Okay? 3 times n, 3 times 2. 3 times n, and 3 times 2. 3n plus 6. On the right, 2 times n and 2 times 8. 2 times n is 2n, plus 2 times 8 is 16. Now, if you're bold, you can try to arrange your letters on the left and your numbers on the right at the same time here. You can see that the 2n needs to go away from the number side. Letters on the left, numbers on the right. So we're going to take away 2n from both sides. And at the same time, you might see that the plus 6, we should take it away from the letter side. So I'm going to do minus 6 over there. Notice how I line up my variable terms with my variable terms. And I line up my numbers or my constants with my constants. So let's look at the first yellow. 3n minus 2n is 1n. Blue, 6 minus 6 cancels. Equals 2n minus 2n cancels. 16 minus 6 is 10. When we divide by 1, we get that n equals 10.